Hi, it's Aidan at Blackpool Seat, showing you around this Seat Leon that we have in stock. So this is the estate model. It's excellent looks, absolutely stunning. Estate lighting, daytime running lights for the car, finished off in a lovely grey. Some nice silver alloys. So this car's a pre-reg car. It's only done 3 or 4 miles in and out the showroom. Pretty much brand new. We've pre-registered it to our dealership. So it's available at an excellent price. Got the new shape Leon. Rear lights that go across the boot. So this is the Excellence model, so it is jam-packed with extras and tech. Talk you through that when we get into the car. It's for sale here at Blackpool Seat. We're part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family-run group of dealerships. So at the Blackpool site, you've got us Blackpool Seats. Next door to us, you've got Blackpool Automart. That's where quite a few of our part exchanges come in. Next to them, you've got Honda Superbikes. Across the road, you've got our flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. Over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So this is the point of the video where I go on about how used cars get 2 years warranty, 2 years servicing, and that it's been through the body shop and it's been checked over. However, this is a pre-reg car, so it hasn't gone through the body shop. It's just come off the transporter. It's in excellent condition, brand new. Workshop wise, it's just had a PDI and it's good to go. So yeah, let's get involved in the car. Show you what's included. It's got a lovely spacious boot with the estate models. It's also double level, so you can have more room if you need. Got a retractable parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy, and you do have these levers either side which fold the seats forward in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. Show you the rear seats. So you've got part suede, part leather interior. You've got your ISOFIX mounting points in the rear. Couple of cup holders down the middle seat.
Is that 300 brake horsepower it is?
Stepping into the driver's seat, you'll see a very spacious and luxurious interior. DSG Auto in this car. So you've got the new lever for the automatic gearbox, push button start, keyless entry, keyless start, electronic parking brake and your brake hold, as well as your child locks. Couple of compartments either side for any keys. As you can see, it's got a little key icon here. This is where you'll put your key. In the compartment in the center console, you'll find wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay. Got your power outlets using a USB-C port. Couple of air vents. Talk you through the infotainment system now. As you can see, this car does have a reversing camera. I'll show you that again in a second, but I'll talk you through the infotainment system briefly. It's got sat nav, all your radio and media sources, Bluetooth hands-free audio. Like I said, this car does have wireless Apple CarPlay, so that's in your full link. So you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link, all wireless. Just connect up your phone like it's Bluetooth and you're good to go. Vehicle settings, driving data, air conditioning, which you now control for the infotainment system. Got a couple of buttons along the bottom to adjust it. That's your volume, and then this is to adjust temperature on the air conditioning. You can adjust the sound settings as well. And now I'll show you that reversing camera. As you can see, very clear picture. You've got your park pilot as well to your left. Onto the digital cockpit. Clicking the view button, you can change what's displayed in the centre, and you can also change the layout of the digital cockpit. As you can see, this car is sat on 5 miles. As I said, it's been in our showroom for a couple of weeks. It's just been PDI'd and pre-registered. And then you can also use these buttons here, and you can change what's displayed down the side. So you can have your media displayed down the side, sat navs displayed down the side. You can fully customize what's displayed in front of you, which is an excellent feature to have. So that's on the right hand side of the steering wheel. On the left hand side, you've got your cruise control and your media buttons. Indicator, main beam, full beam. On the left indicator stalk, on the right indicator stalk, you've got your wipers. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got, instead of a lights dial, you've now got the little touchpad to change what lights you have displayed. And on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors and heated mirrors, electrical windows, and lastly, you do have, I think you can see, ambient lighting down the driver's door cards. This makes this place an excellent place to sit in. So that is the car. It's an excellent place to sit in. An excellent price, pre-registered of course. It's available at Blackpool Sale. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or require any more information on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We'd love to hear from you soon.